Yeah,
well, and that's the best deer I've ever seen right there. And then you have Junior walk out and you say,
well, put it this way, Junior has never in his life come over on this side of the ranch that I'm aware of. And here he comes walking
isn't
out.
that funny? I mean, he was one of the first ones out.
Yeah.
Had doe and
nice deer. How's that heartbeat?
It was calm. I mean, everything was calm. I mean, it was neat the way everything went, and of course, after sitting there looking at Junior, well, you could relax pretty good with anything. But that is a really nice deer.
Hey, there's no ground shrinkage on that guy. We watched him for a couple of years.
And what's this? Gun rack is his name?
Gun rack.
Mm-hmm. Now you say that he had two little.
Yeah, he had two muleys on his G2.
And that's where you got the gun rack name?
That's where we got the gun rack, but he lost one this year.
Uh-huh. Well,
he lost,
really nice.
He lost his dominance last year. He got wounded in a fight real badly.
Mm-hmm.
And he ran from everybody for half the season last year.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. And we were hoping he'd bounce back, but we decided to take him.
Hey, you see Junior, but you can't really realize after seeing him how good this is.
Oh yeah.
You know?
You know, Junior's a 180 plus.
I mean,
you know, pushing 200.
This. I promise you, it's the best deer that I've shot.
Jeez.
What a deer.
You know, you see a 180 to 200 class deer, and then this 150, low 160 deer comes out, and wow, look at that deer.
Okay. That is a nice deer. Now, you call him, oh, you're talking about back here? Or where was the other rack?
Right on the other G2 on the other hand. Right? No, go farther back on the G2. Keep going.
G2?
No, back one more. One more. Right there. Nope, he had another one back on the other one.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. Man, that is incredible.
Huh? Is that nice? Just a little bit.
Yeah, he probably hit it in velvet, yeah.
Uh-huh.
It was a beautiful deer.
Yeah, it is.
Oh man, that is nice.
Isn't that pretty?
Yep.